Come back to yourself, Mama. Everything you need to feel grounded and present is inside of you, and I'm here to help you find it. I'm Melissa Hurt of Integrative Studio, and I want you to take 5 minutes with me to come back to yourself. If you've been pouring into everyone else's cup but neglecting your own, this is for you. Let's take a moment to get still and grounded. Close your eyes if you can. Relax any parts of your body that you feel are tense. Maybe it's your shoulders, maybe it's your forehead, maybe it's your toes. Relax your body. And in this relaxed space of your body, feel your breath. Feel the movement of your breath coming in and out of your nose, but also feel the movement that the breath makes with your body. Your belly, your sides, and your back expanding, and then contracting back in towards your midline. Maybe you feel the temperature of the air coming into your nose and how the temperature is a little different when you exhale it out. Take this moment to feel your breath, and by keeping your awareness on your breath, you are anchoring your mind into the present moment. This is how you become present. Now, with this anchor of your mind onto the movement or the feeling of your breath, I want you to now feel the stillness that is inside of you. I know that it might start off feeling like a shaken snow globe with everything moving around, all the thoughts, all the flurry, all the activity. But beneath all of that, there is a stillness there, and that is your true essence. Feel that stillness and begin to feel like with the awareness of your breath, you are harnessing it and fortifying it and expanding it so that that quiet stillness, that strength, that beauty, that power that is you can get restored with the feeling of your breath, with the knowing of the stillness. Begin to feel like every breath in is bringing in a color that represents restoration. Any color that restores you, helps you feel whole again and connected. And feel like that color is filling that core of you. And with each breath, the color is becoming a bit more saturated and vibrant. And then feel like that color can radiate out through the whole of you, so that as you feel this body awareness, you can feel like the color is filling you from head to toe. And the more that you sit with this feeling, and the more that you sit with this image, the more you can come back to your true self. Because when you fill your own cup, you have more that you can offer to others, and that offering is authentic and filled with your truth. Give yourself permission to pause, to check in with yourself, to take 5 minutes to breathe and cultivate that stillness within. For more guided practices, sign up for my newsletter below. And while you're on my website signing up for it, take a look at the blog. There's a ton of articles that I've written to help you cultivate what's already lying within. And remember, you're not lost, you're becoming. Take a deep breath, come back to yourself, and I'll meet you here again.